Huawei is gearing up to make a bold move in the smartphone market with its upcoming Pura 80 series. Following the leaks surrounding the Ultra model, new details have emerged about the Pura 80 Pro, shedding light on its camera and display specifications. If these rumors hold true, the Pura 80 Pro is set to be a game changer, bringing high-end camera technology to a non-Ultra model. One of the biggest highlights of the Huawei Pura 80 Pro is its camera system. Reports suggest that it will feature Sony's IMX989 50-megapixel main camera sensor, a lens typically reserved for the highest-end flagship models. If Huawei follows through with this plan, the Pura 80 Pro could deliver a photography experience similar to the Pura 70 Ultra. The device is expected to sport a powerful triple-camera setup, including a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor with enhanced macro capabilities. Huawei is also rumored to use RGB filters in all three lenses, improving low-light photography. Compared to the traditional RGB filters, RGB sensors allow more red and yellow light to reach the sensor, resulting in brighter and more detailed images even in dark environments. Shifting the focus to the display, Pura 80 Pro may deviate from its predecessor by adopting a flat screen instead of a curved one. The rumored specifications indicate a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a sleek 2.5D design. This change could contribute to an ultra-slim look with the thinnest bezels seen on a Huawei device yet. Unlike the Pura 70 Pro, which featured a curved screen, Huawei appears to be reserving the quad-curved display exclusively for the Pura 80 Ultra. This decision suggests a shift in design strategy, possibly to differentiate between the Ultra and Pro variants more clearly. While the exact details about other specifications remain unclear, leaks indicate that the Huawei Pura 80 series could debut in late May or early June. As the launch date approaches, more information about the lineup is expected to surface. Meanwhile, new reports also shed light on the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra, particularly its zoom capabilities and night photography performance. While many expected an upgrade in periscope zooming, leaks suggest that the Pura 80 Ultra will continue to offer a 3.5 optical zoom, just like its predecessor. However, Huawei is reportedly making improvements in night photography, ensuring that the periscope camera captures more light for brighter and more detailed nighttime shots. According to leaks, the Pura 80 Ultra may feature a 50-megapixel 1/1 3-inch periscope camera, which could be the largest periscope sensor in the industry. Huawei is likely to continue using its RGB filter for better little light performance. This filter has already proven its ability to enhance image quality in dark settings by letting in more light compared to standard RGB sensors. Although Huawei might not be increasing the zoom levels, the company is expected to refine the periscope. Additionally, there are rumors that Huawei is developing a brand new 1-inch main camera for the Pura 80 Ultra, alongside an improved ultra-wide-angle lens. If true, this could push the Ultra model even further ahead in terms of mobile photography. As always, these leaks should be taken with a grain of salt, as Huawei has yet to confirm any of these specifications. However, given the company's history of innovation, it wouldn't be surprising to see them make significant advancements in camera technology with the Pura 80 series. With an expected launch in the coming months, we anticipate more details to surface soon. Whether it's the Pro model's potential IMX989 camera and flat display, or the Ultra variant's refined night photography and periscope zoom, Huawei seems to be preparing a strong lineup for 2025. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official reveal.